Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to see retakes on BeReal application. So first of all, of course, you would like to go and download the retake application if you don't have it on your phone. Of course, you can do that through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Then, you'd like to go and sign in to create your account. Of course, if you already have an account, just ignore all of that, log in into your account, and let's just get straight to it. So let me just go here and launch my retake application, or sorry, my BeReal application, as you should, of course. Of course, the BeReal application is actually allowing you to post one post per day. Of the post will be just a photo of the same, of course, maybe one picture of the front camera and the same picture one with your actually back camera. As you can see here, if I click at enter, they will take two pictures, one with my back camera and one with my front camera, so I can post that. And that's actually the concept of this application. So let me just go here back. Okay, sorry, I can't go back, it seems like. So let me just take a picture. And yeah, of course, I'm just hiding the front camera, that's why it's on black. And of course, you can share whatever you want here. So as we said, if you want to, so let me just go here and post it, as I said, so we can be actually allowed to see the discovery here. So let's just go back here to your friends or whatever. So of course, if you want to retake, so when you tap on the three dots icon on one of your friends BeReal posts, so let's say as an example, let's go to discovery here, and let's say as an example that's one of your your friend's post. So if you click at the three dots at the top right corner of the post, you actually will be able to see the retake count. So if I click on a random post here, as you can see, I'm not gonna find it because he's not my friend. But if you do have friends, and if you go here to your friends, then click at the three dots of the post of your friends, you'll be able to see the retake count, the number of the times that person has retaken that search and BeReal, along with the count of comments and real emoji that's BeReal has received. For some people, the retake count is locked if they do that through the settings. So that will be for the video. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.